How to get the doctor title in Growtopia. So the doctor title was introduced as part of the Block Tours Orders update on June 13, 2019. So to obtain, the player needs to complete 3,000 surgeries while wearing the Angel of Mercy's wings. So the progress will be displayed in the description of the wings for every surgery done, and it counts as an angelic healing. So the wings is basically you're supposed to cure a vicious malady while equipping a doctor's blingin booties, doctor's blingin cap, doctor's blingin cross, doctor's blingin mask, doctor's blingin pants, and doctor's blingin stomp. So provided the player has already successfully performed at least 2,000 surgeries. When equipped, it changes the name's color to red and adds doctor before the player's name, but that's pretty much how you can get the doctor title in Growtopia. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.